Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Grace Torrey and I am back with a whole new video. I'm so excited for today's video. I've been wanting to do it for so long, I just haven't really done it. Part of that reason is because I have so many more outfits than the ones in this video. Let me know if you want me to do a part 2 because I love Madelyn's style. It's literally mine. So yeah, let me know about that. In today's video, we are obviously going to be doing a lookbook for Madelyn Cline / Sarah Cameron. They have really similar style, so I'm going to be touching on both of them and channeling both of them. But I'm really excited. Before I jump into the video, don't forget to enter my giveaway. I'm giving away one item from the Jeffree Star Bloodlust collection. Click this link to hear all about it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified every single time I upload a video. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment telling me what your favorite outfit is from this collection and if you want me to do a part 2. So yeah, let's just jump on into the video. Okay guys, so my first look is the classiest one for sure. This dress is from Charlotte Russe and these shoes are from, I believe, Dillard's. I love this outfit. Next is this outfit from H&M. The top and the bottom are both from H&M. I don't have on the big necklace like I had on before. I have on a choker I got from Amazon for like $8, I think, 13 maybe, I don't know. And I have on these cute tennis shoes that are vintage Havana. I love them. I'm gonna wear them literally the entire time. And yeah, this is the outfit up close. There's a cute little bow. Next is this beach outfit. So there's the shoes again, and there are shorts from Charlotte Russe, a top from Poshmark, the bathing suit top is, and then the shirt is from TJ Maxx. I love this bathing suit, but it gave me weird tan lines. And then there's that star necklace again. Here's an outfit with the same shorts, and then the top I believe is from Forever 21, and the same shoes again. This outfit is another casual one. And there was a star necklace, and here is an up close of this outfit. Next is this outfit. It's a little bit more dressy. This top is from TJ Maxx and the skirt is from Charlotte Russe. I'm just wearing the same shoes and star necklace again. Sarah Cameron and Madelyn Cline both wear a lot of gold chokers, so I'm really glad that I found this one because I've been looking for one everywhere and I love it so much. There's the ruffles on the shirt and there is an up close of everything. This is my last outfit. It is a pink top from Charlotte Russe, and I don't know where these shorts are actually from. The same shoes and choker again. Here's an up close. So the shirt, there's like 100 different ways to tie it, but I chose to tie it that way. And then here's an up close of the detailing on the shorts. They're super cute, and there's my star necklace again. Those are all the looks that I put in this video. I love them so much. They're a little bit more casual than the other looks I have, so if you want me to do like a more formal video lookbook, I can do that. That would be like the part 2, obviously. But I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I had so much fun filming this. LOL, this is editing Grace here. Guess whose camera cut off my outro and didn't even tell me? How rude. Basically, I think what I was going to say is don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell. My typical outro. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.
Tastes like strawberries on a summer evening, and it sounds just like a song. I want more berries and that summer feeling. It's so wonderful and warm.